Welcome back students. We are again with our chapter for class 10 and that is Bholi. And our writer is Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. He was born in 7 June 1914, Panipat, Haryana. Died in 1st June 1987. Occupation: film director, screenwriter, novelist, journalist, columnist. So you can say he was multi-talented person. So this chapter Bholi is a very wonderful and touching story about a girl who was victim of cruel destiny. So Bholi's real or original name was Sulekha, but since her childhood everyone called her Bholi or dull-headed girl. She was fourth daughter of Nambardar Ramlal. She had 3 more sisters and 3 brothers. She was not dull-headed by birth. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off the cot and a part of her brain was damaged. So students, as we have seen, this is a very touching story. तो हमने क्या देखा, भोली जो थी उसको सब भोली इस वजह से बोलते थे क्योंकि के साथ अनफॉर्चुनेटली इंसिडेंट हो गया. जब वो 9 महीने की थी तब वो बिस्तर से गिर जाती है और बिस्तर से गिरने के बाद उसके ब्रेन का हाफ पार्ट जो है वो डैमेज हो जाता है. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वाज भोली. At birth, Sulekha was fair and good looking. Sulekha was very cute when she was born. But at the age of 2, she had an attack of small pox. As a result, except her eyes, her entire body got permanent black pock marks. In addition to her lack of intelligence and pock marks on her face, she started speaking late. She stammered. So other children made fun of her and she talked very little. So unfortunately, as we have seen, जब भोली पैदा ली थी, she was quite normal. वो बहुत cute baby थी. But 9 month की जब वो थी तब वो बिस्तर से गिरती है, उसका हाफ पार्ट डैमेज हो जाता है और जब वो 2 साल की होती है तब उसको चिकन पॉक्स हो जाता है जो कि उसके पूरे बॉडी में एक ब्लैक पॉक मार्क्स क्रिएट कर देता है, सिर्फ आंखों को छोड़ के. और इसी वजह से उसने लेट बोलना शुरू किया, हकलाती थी और बाकी बच्चे जो थे वो उसे चिढ़ाते थे. रामलाल हैड सम चिल्ड्रेन, ऑल एक्सेप्ट भोली वर हेल्दी एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. द ओल्डेस्ट डॉटर राधा हैड ऑलरेडी बीन मैरिड. The second one, Mangla, marriage had been settled. The third was Champa, while the fourth was Bholi. With her 3 disabilities, Bholi was not likely to get a match. Her parents were worried. सारे भाई बहन थे जिसमें से 2 बहनों की शादी ऑलरेडी हो चुकी थी, लेकिन भोली के साथ ये सिचुएशन था कि उसके पास क्वाइट डिसेबिलिटीज थी उसके लिए और इसी वजह से भोली के लिए एक पार्टनर ढूंढना उसके पेरेंट्स के लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग टास्क था. द तहसीलदार साहब केम टू परफॉर्म द ओपनिंग सेरेमनी ऑफ गर्ल्स स्कूल इन द विलेज. He told Ramlal to send his daughter to school, but Ramlal's wife thought that nobody would marry her educated daughters. They agreed to send Bholi to school because she had little chance of getting a match. The next day, Ramlal wanted to take Bholi to school, but she resisted. She had a fear that she would also be sold off like her old cow Lakshmi. But when she was given a bath and clean clothes to wear, she agreed to go to school. She was convinced that school was perhaps a better place than her home. At school, she saw many girls sitting on mats in several rooms. She hoped to get a friend there. In the classroom, Bholi only watched colorful pictures of cat, goat, cow, horse and parrot. Her teacher, however, was very soft and sincere. She spoke to Bholi lovingly. She told the child to get rid of her fear if she was to speak clearly. The teacher encouraged her to speak words without stammering. She assured Bholi that in 1 month she would be able to read the book and will become more educated than others in village. In short, she gave the child a new hope and a new life. So as we have seen in this paragraph that firstly Bholi was not at all ready to go to school. उसे ये लग रहा था जैसे कि उसके घर के जो डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स थे उसको बेचा जाता था, उसी तरीके से भोली को भी बेचा जाएगा. बट उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसे कन्विंस किया. भोली स्कूल जाती है और टीचर का बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट उसे मिलता है और धीरे धीरे भोली क्या करती है, उसके लाइफ में डेवलप होने लगती है. उसको अनएडुकेटेड से एजुकेशन की तरफ वो बढ़ती रहती है. बट इन दिस द टीचर प्लेड अ वेरी वाइटल रोल इन हर लाइफ. Years passed, the village grew into a small town with cinema hall, a high school and a ginning factory. Bholi was grown-up girl now, a rich grocer. Bisambar agreed to marry her without even seeing her and without asking for a dowry. But he was of Ramlal's age and he was plain. He was greedy and mean also. Bholi overheard the conversation of her parents, but she kept quiet for the sake of family honor. So students, if you will see in this paragraph, we have seen that one man who agreed to marry Bholi was Bimbeswar. Bisambar, although he was of his father's age, वो रामलाल के एज के थे, पर no other option was there for Bholi. Bholi was knowing that the man was greedy, but she didn't thought. उसने अपने फैमिली के अगेंस्ट जाने का कभी नहीं सोचा. Bisambar arrived in the village in a big procession headed by a band. Even the elder sister of Bholi were envious of Bholi's luck. Bholi, dressed as a bride, was led to the holy fire for garlanding. A woman slipped back her veil. A little Bisambar noticed the pockmark and refused to marry her unless he was paid a dowry of rupees 5,000. Ramlal was in trouble. He appealed to Bisambar to be a little considerate, but his appeal fell on deaf ear. He paid the sum demanded. So students, here we have seen जब भोली की शादी हो रही थी और जब फेरे लगाए जा रहे थे तब क्या होता है, अचानक से पीछे से किसी कोई गिर जाता है भोली के ऊपर और उसका घूंघट जो है वो हट जाता है. और घूंघट हटते ही बिसम्बर जो है वो सारी दाग भोली के पॉक मार्क की जो कि चिकन पॉक्स से उसे हुआ था वो देख लेते हैं और वो मना कर देते हैं कि मुझे शादी नहीं करनी या तो मुझे 5,000 दहेज दो. रामलाल काफ़ी परेशान रहते हैं. वो कन्विंस करने की कोशिश करते हैं लेकिन बिसम्बर को उनका पैसा चाहिए, तभी वो भोली से शादी करेंगे. अब रामलाल के पास कोई दूसरा रास्ता नहीं है पैसे पे करने के अलावा. बिसम्बर देन प्रोसीड टू पुट गार्लैंड राउंड भोलीज नेक, बट भोली नाउ रिफ्यूज टू मैरी such a greedy, mean and lame old person. She threw away the wheel. She gave a shocking response to all gathering. She was no more a dumb driving cow or stammering fool. She looked back at her father and the elderly woman who called her shameless. The holy fire died down and everyone was gone. Bisambar, जब भोली को गले में माला डालने जा रहे होते हैं तभी भोली शादी के लिए इनकार कर देती है. That she don't want to marry. वो ऐसे लड़के से शादी नहीं करेगी, ऐसे बूढ़े व्यक्ति से शादी नहीं करेगी जो इतना ग्रीडी है. Ramlal then asked Bholi what she would do about marriage. She told him in calm voice not to worry. She had no intention to marry. She said she would serve the parents in their old age. She would teach in same school where she had learned so much. Her teacher, who had been watching the drama quietly, supported her. She felt proud of Sulekha and her masterpiece. तो हमने ये देखा, भोली जो है शादी के लिए इनकार कर देती है और अपने पिताजी को बोलती है कि मैं आप लोगों को बुढ़ापे में आपका सहारा बनूंगी, आपको देखूंगी, शादी मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है और मैं एज अ टीचर वर्क करूंगी उसी स्कूल में जिस स्कूल ने मुझे बनाया है, जिस स्कूल ने मुझे एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया सोसाइटी में. तो स्टूडेंट्स, this is a very touching story of Bholi. So what we have seen? We have seen that education is everything in one's life. Beauty doesn't matter. Beauty is temporary. As Bholi's face was covered with pockmarks, yes? So it might be very ugly looking girl. She might be very ugly looking girl, yes? But what she was having? She was a knowledgeable girl. Although she was having so many challenges in her life, her half brain was damaged, she was having pock marks on her face, people used to tease her, her friends used to tease her, but then also she has crossed the boundaries and she has reached in such a platform where she can earn, she can serve, and she can provide others a better platform. So by this story we came to know that beauty doesn't matter. The matter is our knowledge, our intellect. We have to become an intellectual persons in order to justify that which is right or which is wrong for us. As Bholi has taken the decision at last, she said that she is not going to marry such an old man who is very greedy. Okay, now this was the chapter. Quiz time. Question 1. What was Bholi's real name? Option A, Sulekha. Option B, Sudekha. Option C, Champa. And option D, Chamla. Your correct answer is Sulekha. Question 2. What damaged some part of her brain? Option A, falling off a cot. Option B, falling off the stairs. Option C, falling off a veranda. And option D, smallpox. And the correct answer is falling off a cot. Question 3. Why did Bholi's parents accept December's marriage proposal? A, he has a big shop. B, he has a house. C, he has a good bank balance. And option D, all of the above. Yes, your correct answer is all of the above. Students, your homework questions are given. Long answer type question, 100 to 120 words. Note down the question and do the answers correctly. And go through the text in order to understand the chapter more clearly. Thank you. See you soon in our next video. Till then, take care.